Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use cPanel or a cPanel management. Basically, when you purchase a domain hosting, so your hosting provider or server provider, they give you just email about your control panel, user ID and password, etc. Okay, so you just logged in. You will find URL to your from on your email. The server provider will send you everything. Okay, so and cPanel, what do you find? First, file manager, images, directory privacy, disk uses, web disk, but you don't need to use everything here because some of the things are automated. Actually, you need to focus on something on statistics what you are using. So I have limitation of 10 MySQL databases, so I have used only one zero alias, zero add-on domain, so I don't have limitation on these. So disk uses, I have a 2 GB of limitation on disk uses. Okay, and my SQL database uses is 1.16 GB. That's a huge because I have already a website in this domain and it uses only 9.65 megabyte. So you can just imagine it's a lot. Okay, so here's a 100 GB of 97 GB. It's count as 100 GB. So it's a 100 GB of bandwidth. So it's about how many user can I use there. Okay, so it's 39 megabyte of bandwidth I've used, zero subdomain or one email. You will find this icon. You will it means infinite. Infinite means unlimited. So I have unlimited access to email accounts. I can create unlimited amount of email accounts, autoresponder, mailing lists, etc., etc. So CPU uses after that, but not on all of the hosting cPanel you'll find these statistics, but some of you may find this. So it is a really helpful because sometimes you will find some error uh, based on these. So you can come over here and you don't need to ask every time your hosting provider about the issues. You can solve by yourself. Okay, so I had the CPU uses. This CPU uses is based on every user. How many you can use? Actually, I don't actually. Let's go to this domain. Copy. CPU uses means user uses. Okay, how many user using, and it's based on each user. Okay, physical memory of 1 GB, and okay, these are actually matters. Physical memory and CPU uses mostly. Okay, so my site has been reloaded. Okay, this is the website. This is the sticky header. So I'm in here, so I can just uh, when a user will visit there, you will see the CPU uses there. I can just reload. I don't know, it may log me out. Okay, no, it's a zero. Actually, when you edit the site, it affects here. Okay, it's zero. So you can see that like some premium host offers 30,000 users, okay, per month. So lots of things are counted here. Okay, so basically what you need most is app installer. Okay, app install like WordPress, PrestaShop, Joomla, etc. So you'll find this top of the page. Most of the hosting cPanel are on the top, on the bottom of the page always. Okay, the software kilos app installer. If you need a installer WordPress, just click on the WordPress. It's easy. Then click on install. You can choose a version of WordPress you need. Okay, 5.4 start from 4.9.15. Okay, so I will use the max version available here. So I will use, I have a SSL, so I will choose this one. Then I will choose test is directory. This is your main domain, and if you leave down here, it will be installed on your main domain like this one. Okay, and if you choose anything like test, okay, then the WordPress will be installed in a subdirectory like this one. Okay, my new dashboard will be like this one. My URL will be this. Okay, and my site name, site description, I can change it within WordPress, inside WordPress dashboard, or also in here. So I can say, okay, I can change it. Store, I can say, come to the site name is store fashion point. Installing it for a e-commerce testing purpose, development purpose. So I just renamed it. Then you will use admin account, so admin username and admin password. You have to remember this. Okay, or list it down. You can just copy everything and write it down anywhere. You can change the user and password, sorry, password anytime you want. Just remember the user or the email you want to put. Okay, if you don't have a webmail, then just use your Gmail or any other email you want, you use mostly. Okay, so I just use for testing purpose. So you need to use a most complex user and password you can ever use. Okay, like this one. Okay, these are the secure strong 65 oblique 100. Okay, so I just use the default, and it's a bad bad count of a user and password. Okay, I am crack it down. So I'm using it for a testing purpose. So there is a language option you may not find it everywhere, and select a plugin option. Is just a limited number of Cpanel provides this one on installation. So I will need classic editor and limit login. No, I don't need that. Limit I need security. Okay, and if you want this installation info to your any developer or organizer or teammates, you can email them here. So I will, and last thing is you can install a theme. There's a free themes here you can use. Most of the hosting provider nowadays offers free themes. Some of them they created. Okay, but I want to use the custom ones, so I just click install. Okay, installation is done. So first I am going to see the website. Here's my website. Here's my fresh WordPress installation. Okay, and the next one is my dashboard. Okay, it's in maintenance, so I can just reload a bit moment. Okay, so that's reloaded, and here's my dashboard. And if you want to if you just log out from here or anything, you can just re-log in by uh, using just this URL, and you can just put wp admin. Okay, just here. So there's the admin is my user and password is pass. So I use this one for testing purpose for this video. So here you can just install WordPress and the basic cPanel setup. So I'll see you in the next video of other cPanel management system. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.